Unbelievable. This baby was actually adopted by 3 undead creatures. Faced with these 3 peculiar beings, Jack was so terrified that he cried out loud. He initially thought he was going to be treated as food, but to his surprise, they not only spared him, but they even offered him food and raised him. In the days that followed, the necromancer Jess began teaching Jack magic, while the skeletal knight Brant brought Jack food and expressed his hope that, when Jack grew up, he would learn hunting from him. Jack hesitated, but at that moment, Jess mentioned that Jack could read and write at the age of 3, believing that magic was the most important subject to learn. During their discussions, Jack began to question why they were undead, and whether anyone else besides him was still alive. However, he kept these thoughts to himself, as he too had a secret he could not share. Jack was a transmigrator. Years passed, and Jack's progress was astonishing. Brant then took Jack to a ruin. They entered an abandoned dwarven cave, which was now filled with unconscious undead creatures. Before Jack could react, the lights went out, and everything fell into darkness. Jack quickly cast a light spell to illuminate the area, only to find that Brant had vanished. At that moment, 2 skeletons appeared before him. Jack effortlessly drew his sword and dispatched them. After a brief rest, Jack continued his journey. Soon, he noticed an undead holding a spear ahead. Thanks to his knowledge from books, Jack recognized its identity and realized it was no ordinary undead. Jack considered bypassing it, but in order to complete his training, he decided to face it head-on. After a short battle, Jack successfully subdued the creature and decapitated it. After the undead fell, its body began to disintegrate. As Jack picked up the fallen spear, he discovered it was a weapon crafted by dwarves and even imbued with magic. Jack continued his exploration, noticing a slight breeze, signaling that the exit was near. However, Jack soon realized something horrifying. The source of the wind was his magic teacher.